How to move boards on Pinterest. First of all, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. Go to the Boards section. Tap and hold the board you want to move. Then, tap on the reorder icon as shown. You can now reorder the boards however you want by moving them up or down. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully reordered your Pinterest boards. Here, tap on the sort icon above. As you can see, it is set to custom. This means you can drag and drop to reorder boards. Following these steps, you can easily move boards on Pinterest.